Again, mostly cloudy start right now in Longview. You can't really see because we are only seeing the first signs of twilight there when we're at least seeing some evidence of light, but temperatures telling the same story. We're at 50 degrees. That wind, I don't believe, it's not calm. You can see the flags blowing out in the wind there. And then our sensors taking the morning off for the dew points. We're not getting a registered dew point right now in Longview, but it is humid, and that's the reason why we do have some fog in deep East Texas. The winds are a little more calm there. And as a result, we are detecting fog. I just checked our surface ops in Lufkin, and those are true. I mean, our visibilities are significantly reduced. So please be careful, as you always should when you're driving this morning. Even our central and northern counties, you should be careful on the roadways. 40s and 50s for our temperatures right now. And as we look at FUTURECAST, a couple of things here. Southerly winds, it's going to continue to drive up that moisture, and as a result, we will start to see the clouds move through the area. Now, temps going to continue to be in the 60s and 70s this afternoon, but all eyes will be off to our north and to our west. By 7 o'clock, we're in the 60s, but off to the northwest, more importantly, we are going to start to see that front march across West Texas as we go into tomorrow. Clouds again by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, no rain, maybe some drizzle at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and those rain chances will slowly increase tomorrow night. There's the front right there. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see a line of strong thunderstorms trying to take shape. I think this FUTURECAST overdoes it, but it is something worth watching here. But again, the temps in the 60s, really not going to cut it for our severe weather chances, so I don't anticipate severe weather early Thursday morning, which is certainly good news. Front is going to plow through our southeastern counties, and then we are left with some very comfortable temperatures. Temps are expected to be in the 60s and 70s Thursday afternoon. Heading out to the bus stop, kiddos, remember those jackets. You don't need those umbrellas or anything like that, but you won't need the jackets this afternoon either. Temperatures will be in the 70s then. And looking ahead into the future, this is post-cold front, meaning next weekend into early next week. I expect our highs to be in the 60s and 70s then. And unfortunately, I do think that high pressure right behind the front is going to dry us out. And it's going to dry us out for a long period of time, which is something we don't really need right now. Lots of sunshine for your Friday and Saturday. Veterans Day, it's a wet start, but it's a dry finish. 60s for your Monday, and then deep East Texas, same trend. We're talking about 70s today, 70s tomorrow, even 71, 72 degrees after the front moves through on Thursday. We'll be in the 60s Friday and Saturday, plenty of sunshine, and then another front arrives Sunday evening into Monday morning of next week.
Okay, so
pretty nice to me.
Yeah, a lot of comfortable temperatures for folks. I mean, even if you like the warm weather like me, just throw on a light jacket on those 60-degree days if you ever need it, and you're good.
Just blame the weatherman when you're annoyed because you got that light jacket.